When prompted by the GTXpro for a wiper cleaner replacing error, the printer will show the screen above. To verify which prompts you currently have on the printer, from standby, press the right arrow key to view the prompts. For this particular process, ensure that the wiper cleaner replacing color and wiper cleaner replacing white prompts or errors are both present, and take note of the others if more prompts or errors are present. First, ensure that you have the correct number of wiper cleaners needed to perform the replacement task. Check the expiration date on the box. Additionally, check to ensure the wiper cleaners are not expired and have at minimum a 90-day expiration date range. The replacement box of wiper cleaners comes in a set of 2 in the event that both white and color wiper cleaners need to be replaced. During this maintenance process, gloves should be worn. The box comes with a folded up pair of gloves. We are utilizing latex gloves. Open the wiper cleaners by tearing at the tear notch. It's important not to open the seal on the wiper cleaner package until you are prepared to install them. Leaving the package open and sitting out will cause the wiper cleaner to dry out. The expiration date is also indicated on the packaging of the wiper cleaner. From standby mode, press any arrow key or menu OK until we have maintenance highlighted, and then press menu OK. In this submenu, we will select Maintenance Parts, Clean Replace, and press menu OK. Within this next submenu, we will highlight Error and Warning Parts and press menu OK. This will reset the internal counter for all prompts/errors that are displayed. Make sure to perform the required maintenance for all prompts/errors after selecting Error and Warning Parts. Then press menu OK to continue. The platen will then move in and out, and the print heads will undock from the maintenance station. You will be notified that you have 15 minutes to complete any pending items for the maintenance process, inclusive of the wiper cleaner replacement that we will be focusing on in this video. Be prepared to complete all items within the allotted time. Turn the power off by pressing and holding the power button until you hear a beep. Now the printer is off, open the lid of the printer to access the cap and wiper area. Before proceeding to replace the wiper cleaners, it is best to always look at the internal area of the printer in regards to the back CR rail, rollers, and/or guide shaft to judge the level of ink mist buildup they may have and if it is time for periodic maintenance. There is a separate video for cleaning the internal area of the printer. This information is also located in the manual. This is only a reminder of this instance being a good time to check for ink mist buildup. To remove the old wiper cleaner, reach into the GTXpro and lift it at the indicated finger latch and raise towards the right until the wiper cleaner is straight up. Then lift the wiper cleaner upwards and out of the GTXpro. Dispose of the used wiper cleaners as waste ink material in accordance with local and state waste management policies. Remove the new wiper cleaner from its protective casing by pulling the wiper cleaner out and away from the casing. Be careful not to touch the sponge pad with your fingers as it may deposit debris, contaminating the wiper cleaner. Note the 2 tabs near the bottom on the sponge. They will line up with the notch holes in the side of the black flushing box. Take the wiper cleaner and insert the shafts straight down into the notch arms of the flushing box. Fold the wiper cleaner down to the left and push where the push indicator is located. You will hear an audible click letting you know the wiper cleaner is locked into place. Repeat this process for the other wiper cleaner. Anything that has used ink product, including the wiper cleaner packaging, will need to be disposed of properly along with the used wiper cleaners as waste ink material in accordance with local and state waste management policies. With both wiper cleaners replaced, close the lid of the GTXpro and power the printer back on to ensure there are no additional prompts or errors.